Hi guys, this is my first factory DLG. I made it. Let's see how it can work.
Welcome to OpenTX. Zoom. Cruise. Zoom. Cruise.
I set up the programs. There is arrow movements, elevator, just rudder, brakes, and thermal mode.
Thermal 2. Thermal 1. Cruise. Speed.
Speed mode. So I add some weight this wingtip to be balanced, and I add a little some weight into this part. Maybe unfortunately my battery has lots of weight, so I will fly the first flight. I will do this battery. So it is a 600 mAh battery. It's heavy enough. So we will see how it can work with it. This glider. This fixing is not so the best, but it was my first glassy molded fuse, so I hope it can work. We will see on the maiden flight. Thank you.